Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook frame in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Canva and click on Create a Design on the home page. This is your starting point for any new project in Canva, and it gives you access to thousands of different design templates and formats. Once you've clicked that, you'll see a search field appear. Type Facebook profile frame into this search field. This will pull up all the templates specifically designed for Facebook frames, which are optimized for the correct dimensions and layout that Facebook requires. From the search results that appear, select Facebook Profile Frame. This will take you into the template library where you can browse through various pre-made frame designs that are ready to customize. Now take a moment to browse through the available templates. Look for one that has decorations around the outside edge, as this is the classic style for Facebook frames. Once you find one you like, click on it to open its preview. This allows you to see the full design and decide if it fits the style you're going for before you start editing. With your template open, it's time to customize it to make it your own. Use the editor toolbar at the top of the screen to adjust elements like font size, font type, and color. This is where you can add your personal touch, whether you want bold text, elegant fonts, or specific colors that match your brand or theme. Next, you'll want to make sure all the decorative elements stay around the outer edge of the design, as this is what creates the frame effect. Select each decorative element individually by clicking on it, then move or resize it as needed. Keep everything positioned along the border so the center remains open for the profile picture to show through. Now, here's an important step. If you notice any solid shape covering the middle of the design, you'll need to remove it. Select that shape by clicking on it, then click the trash icon to delete it. This ensures that the center of your frame is completely transparent, allowing the profile picture to be visible underneath. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download it. Click on Share at the top right corner, then select Download from the drop-down menu. This opens up the download settings where you can choose your file format and other options. In the download settings, open the File Type drop-down menu and select PNG. The PNG format is essential for Facebook frames because it supports transparency, which is exactly what you need for the center of your frame to remain clear. Before you finalize the download, make sure to select Transparent Background. This option ensures that the middle section of your frame has no background color, allowing the profile picture to show through perfectly when someone uses your frame on Facebook. Finally, click the Download button. Canva will process your design and download the file to your device within a few seconds, and that's it. You've successfully created a custom Facebook frame in Canva with a transparent background, ready to be uploaded and shared on Facebook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.